Hello spellers. All right, today we are on sort 13 where we are looking at verb suffixes. So these suffixes, we have en, n, ize, eyes, and ify is if I. Okay? And then we have one oddball this week. So try and do your best to sort your words on your own. Okay? All right, so here is what you should have gotten. With en, n, we have frighten, straighten, dampen, sweeten, lengthen, forbidden, and mistaken. Under eyes, we have capitalize, civilize, symbolize, idolize, visualize, energize, harmonize, memorize, summarize, and apologize. With ifi, we have classify, diversify, falsify, beautify, simplify, and purify. And our oddball this week is analyze, and you'll see that it's our oddball because they kept the Y. There's a Y there instead of I-Z-E. It is a Y-Z-E. That is our oddball. Most of the time, if you hear I's at the end of a word, you're going to be using this I-Z-E, okay? You just got to memorize analyze is spelled with a Y. Good. All right, so all of these words create verbs such as that mean to be or to cause to be something. So let's take a look here at our suffix in. So let's take our base word is fright, which is a so then we're going to add our suffix in, so to frighten. So we're making it a verb. So fright, to have a fright, it was a noun. Okay, and now we're changing it. You're causing someone to have fright, to frighten. We are changing it into a verb. Our next is eyes, so let's look at our base word, visual. That is also a noun, a visual. When we add our suffix eyes, visualize, we are saying to visualize, which is a verb. Okay, so you are to be visualizing. You are visualizing something in your head. It is a verb, to visualize. Lastly, we have ifi. So we have our base word here is beauty. So we have our drop the Y, and then we have our ify here, or drop the Y rule. So our new word is beautify. So again, beauty here, our base word is a noun. And now we're saying to beautify, to make something beautiful. So now it is an now it is a verb, to beautify. Good. So remember our drop E rule. So you will see that rule come into place within this sort. So let's take our base word diverse here. Remember, so we are adding the suffix ifi, and so since our suffix here begins with a vowel, we drop that E to add our suffix. So our new word, look, diversify, spelled like this, okay? So we drop that E before we add our suffix, diversify. Good. All right, so our oddball we talked about is analyze, and like I said, it's just one you have to remember with that Y instead of an I. You just have to memorize that one because the rest of the words, when you hear I's at the end of a sentence, are going to be with an I-Z-E. All right, so take this time to write this rule into your Word Study notebook. So this is there's light on the picture. So verb suffixes, so it changes the base word to become a vowel that means to be or to cause to be. So if we look at our example here, sweet becomes to sweeten. So you are to be sweet, okay, or to cause to be sweet. And then here we have simple. Our base word is simple, and again, here's our drop E rule, to simplify. So you are causing something to be simple. Again, both are verbs. And yay, spellers, you did such an awesome job. Give yourselves a pat on the back and celebrate. You have completed another sort. And you are now good to go with your verb suffixes. Nice job.